Okay, this is the kit. You've emptied the bag out. What I'm going to do is show you how to assemble the mount. Got two big pieces of plastic. You've made room down here on this bar, moving your wires. This is going to wrap all the way around. And this piece, the mount itself, will come and wrap around that, fitting in between the wiring. Get it in here. Get it started just so it has its connection. Key in there to help it with it. Now, I'm not going to tighten it all the way yet because I need flexibility. But I'm making sure that this rubber is all the way back against a metal nub. Because what I'm going to do is now I'm going to place this post in here. I'm going to bring it down so it's low enough below the seat. It's going to come up and rub up against this bar. To prevent that rub, there's another piece of rubber in your kit. And it goes on here. And it'll come up and come right to this point. Okay. Now that I can see I've cleared and I know where this is going to go, I can tighten this bolt, and that'll keep this post from sliding up and down. I can also come back over here and tighten all of this up, which I will do. But to move forward, we'll continue. I have another piece of rubber that will go on this bar. So now we have double protection, rubber, rubber, like this. And our post is clear of the seat and everything. I have a piece of Velcro. Sticks on both sides. I'm going to bring it in here and I'm going to wrap it around right here. It wraps right onto itself, real tight. The reason we use Velcro is because it's strong, adheres, and it's reusable. Pedegos have two pieces, and that's so if you can come around to this side to keep it from leaning forward. Again, I'm taking a second piece, bringing it around the bars. That would keep this from pulling back this direction. We've stopped it from going up and down, and now we would tighten this, and this post is ready to fly. And you'd be ready to go. Now, on a regular bicycle, take these off. Take this post off. Come over to this bike. Okay, I've already placed this on here. Haven't tightened it yet. But same principle. I'm going to set this now in here. I'm going to make sure it's down below, clear the seats. Although this bar is different. So again, I've provided this piece of rubber to go here to protect the bike. You just position it to where the bars are going to come together. And it's large enough that you give it enough room on both sides of the bar. This piece is no longer really necessary on this type of a bike, but we would take the Velcro at this point and wrap it as well like we did on the other bike. Wrap it around on itself, tight as you can get it. Be strong enough. This would be tightened with a pair of pliers to make sure it really doesn't slide up and down. As you can see, it doesn't. This doesn't come away, it will not fall away from the bike. And again, you're ready with your pole to ride.